There are some things in life that simply coexist. You can try, you can hustle, you can sacrifice, but at the end of the day, some choices cancel each other out. Let's talk about 7 things in life that are truly manually exclusive and how recognizing them early can save years of confusion, regret, and burnout. You can chase comfort and growth at the same time. Growth demands discomfort, stepping into unknown, failing, getting rejected, and doing things that terrify you. Comfort feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. If you're too in love with comfort, growth will always be out of reach. You can't seek approval and authenticity together. When you live for validation of others, you water yourself down. You mold your words, you style your personality to fit in. Authenticity means being fully you, even when it's unpopular or misunderstood. And that level of honesty, it rarely comes with applause. You can't be productive and constant available. In a world of constant replies, instant replies, pings, real focus in revelation of you always reachable, always reacting, you never truly creating. Deep work, meaningful progress, it happens in silence, away from distractions. You can't build deep relationship and avoid vulnerability. Surface level connections are easy, but real bonds, the kind that hold you in your darkest times, require opening up, being seen, and risking rejection. If you want closeness, you have to drop your armor. You can't move forward while clinging to the past. You can't rewrite old chapters and still write new ones. Healing doesn't happen when you're constantly replying what went wrong. Let go is not weakness, it's making space for what's next. You can't prioritize everyone and still protect yourself. People pleasing feels noble until you realize you're always last on your own list. Every yes to someone else is a no to your own needs. Boundaries are not selfish, they are survival. And finally, you can't have big dreams and small habits. Wanting success is not enough. It's your daily routine that neither build momentum or kill it slowly. Dreams require discipline, and discipline demand that you give up 1,000 distractions that look harmless but steal your future. The truth is, life is full of choices that forces us to let go of one thing that make room for another. The sooner you stop trying to have it all and start choosing with intention, the freer you feel, more fulfilled you become. These trade offs are not punishments, these are the price of charity. Choose wisely because every yes is a silent no to something else. And if this hit home for you, don't just scroll, like, share, subscribe, and comment.